Welcome to this new airport review. I am back from my 3-week glider adventures and I've got a lot of awesome videos coming up for you. Starting with this airport review. Comment down below which model airport you think deserves a spot in the grand finale episode for the best of the best model airports. The first airport is Los Angeles City International Airport, located in Los Angeles, the United States. It's a 1-to-400 scale model airport, home to Delta, Southwest United and Alaska Air Cargo. It's got a terminal consisting of 5 jet bridge gates and 1 using air stairs. The terminal is 3D printed and the control tower is a 1-to-400 scale LAX tower. The airport is very complete. I really much like the light poles that add an extra 3D effect, even though they don't actually work at night. Also, the ground service equipment, like all of these cargo boxes, look very detailed. Overall, I think we're looking at an excellent airport to begin with. Welcome to Amsterdam Airport Schiphol, located in Amsterdam. This is a 1-to-500 scale airport featuring the F and G terminal from Amsterdam Airport Schiphol. And it looks absolutely stunning, just like in real life. The airport is very complete thanks to all the ground service equipment around the aircraft. These jet bridges look incredible, and just like the real life jet bridges on Schiphol. Overall, I think a fantastic looking model airport, which I loved reviewing. Next we take a look at Rosie International Airport in California. He's got a great looking model airport, and what I really like is that he put modeling trees on top of the grass to add an extra effect of 3D realism. He has 3D printed the jet bridges. And he asked me the question, what are some ways to get airport lights and ground service equipment for cheap? Since you already have a 3D printer, I'd recommend you to 3D print both ground service equipment and airport lights. If you don't have a 3D printer, AliExpress has got actually working floodlights for €4 per pair. And if you search good, for even cheaper. For ground service equipment, Herpa Wings 1-to-500 scale ground service equipment is generally the cheapest. This set of 19 parts costs $17. And if you want to do it even cheaper, I googled ground service equipment airport diorama paper and I found this website called littlemodelairport.com, on which you can download paper ground service equipment for free. The only thing is that you need to print it yourself. For example, he has got these Shell fuel trucks. I will put the link to this website in the description so you can download foldable ground service equipment yourself. Next is Northwest International Airport in Montreal, Canada. This could very well be the airport from the movie American Made, but I think he's just created a winter wonderland, which looks awesome. This lineup of Northwest aircraft looks wonderful. Consider adding ground service equipment to your airport using the link I put in the description, and I'm sure your airport will look even more realistic. This is St. Thomas International Airport in the US Virgin Islands. It's a 1-to-400 scale airport featuring a large terminal and aircraft gates. The ground service equipment on his airport he created using clay, which is a really cost-effective and cheap option as well. He even created cones using clay, which is really creative. The ground markings look lovely and professional, and it looks absolutely stunning, just like in real life. Nice texture to the ground. Overall, a very nice airport. This is Kingston Cross International Airport, just north of London in the UK. It's a huge model airport with a long terminal and some remote gates. Therefore, it has got a lovely variety of model aircraft. He has got paper ground service equipment like this bus on his airport, which look great and you can download in the description of this video. And overall speaking, a huge and very complete airport with a lovely variety of model aircraft. This is Dover International Airport, a fictional airport at Dover, the UK. It's a very long and narrow model airport and it looks lovely in my opinion. Some awesome details are this ILS box at the side of the runway, these runway approach lights, the rubber tire marks at the touchdown zone of the runway, and I like the fact that he added a light pole at every single aircraft stand. I hope these two images explain the 3D effect that the light poles have, in my opinion. Dover International Airport, thank you for sending yours in. And the final model airport of this video is St. Thomas Central Airport on the island of St. Thomas in the Caribbean. He's got a lovely variety of aircraft on his airport and some very detailed ground markings as well. I love all of the rubber tire marks of the nose wheel of the aircraft scrubbing over the ground, turning in and out of the gates. The cones around the aircraft are a nice detail as well. And also these gate numbers and taxiway signs are awesome details that add realism. There are some unique aircraft on his airport, like this Portugal stopover Airbus A330, on which he has actually put engine covers as well. I think this is an awesome airport to round this episode up with. Let me know which of the model airports you've seen in this video deserve a spot in the grand finale episode of this season of model airport reviews. I would like to thank you for watching all the way to the end of this video. Please consider to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I will see you in the next video.